concentration problem. Find the concentration of acid, or if they give you already, then it's great. Find, and that concentration of acid is also the concentration of hydrogen ion, which we will use the pH definition to find the pH based on the concentration of hydrogen ion. Now, when it's only before some base is added, but it's not going to go to equivalence point yet, then we subtract to get the remaining mole of acid, find a new volume, find a new concentration of acid, and it will get you to pH. And at equivalence point of strong base and strong acid, strong base titration, the pH is always going to be 7. And after equivalence point, or if there's an excess base, calculate the more excess base, find new volume, find the concentration of the base, find the which will get you concentration of hydroxide ion, get pH, and get pH based on that. And this is sort of my strategy for the weak acid, strong base. Before you go to titration, we use the weak acid dissociation constant for this, and we set up kind of a table where this is for the concentration of the remaining acid. This is the concentration of remaining acid after we doing some stoichiometry work with the base. So this is what we set up. Find the X, find the concentration of hydrogen, and then we find the pH. Next up, this is after some base is added, and find some base is added, and I'm sorry, I made a mistake. This is where the concentration of the acid itself, because this is before titration, so there's no base going on yet. So this is the concentration of the acid itself. Sorry, and in this case, this you have to find it by find the remaining hydrogen of the acid after some base is added. So we will put that into here, and we'll find the concentration of the conjugated base based on what we already calculate in the stoichiometry problem when base is added to the acid, and we sort of find similar to before titration, and we find this. Now, and what happens at equivalence point is you have to find the concentration of conjugate space form, and then you based on the Kb value of conjugate base, and by using this formula and find the concentration of conjugate base, set up this type of iceberg problem, assume that this is negligible according to this, and find the concentration of the OH, and then you find the PO